Over the last semester, I was lucky enough to study abroad. There was one week where my parents got to visit. My mom has always dreamed of going to Venice, Italy, so me, my dad, and one of my good friends went to Venice in late October. I've never been to Italy before, and neither has anyone that I was with. We were unaware of what people were in that city will be like, but I've heard plenty of stories of how Europeans can treat Americans. But before this, I had never seen anything like it. Within the first 2 hours, me and my friends got lost in such a small town with both of us having our phones dead. We asked for directions from a good amount of people, and everyone just kind of sat there, smirked, and laughed when they heard us speak. While I was confused, I guess I could get it because we both looked incredibly American, dressed like it, and sounded like it. Finally, some guy tried to lead us to where we were staying. After a good 20-minute walk, we picked up that we weren't even remotely close to where we were going. I wasn't necessarily nervous or scared, considering the man must have been in his near 70s, but finally my friend offered the man only €5 to show us where we were actually going, and the guy took the money and showed us. Well, it was just €5, then he shows us our apartment that couldn't have been more than 500 feet away from where we were walking to. Once we got back, we simply looked at each other and just laughed. To think that this innocent man was in the wrong and we were smarter than him. Just a funny story at the end of the day.